In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Manychat with Convertkit in just 5 minutes. This process will streamline your workflow by bridging these two powerful platforms, allowing you to manage your audience in a more cohesive manner. Let's dive right in and get you set up. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your Manychat account. If you haven't logged in yet, head to the Manychat website, enter your credentials and access your account dashboard. Once you're in, the next step is to navigate to the settings section. You'll typically find this option on the left sidebar of your Manychat dashboard. It's your central hub for all the configurations you might need. After clicking on settings, look for the integrations tab. Manychat's integrative capabilities truly stand out here, and you'll find a plethora of third-party applications you can connect with. Click on the integration section to expand the options available to you, and then scroll down until you locate Convertkit in the list of potential integrations. Now that we've found Convertkit, you'll need a specific piece of information, your API secret from Convertkit. This is essential because it serves as a key to link both of your accounts. To obtain this, you'll need to pause here and go over to your Convertkit account. If you're not already logged in, head to the Convertkit site and sign into your account. Once you're logged into Convertkit, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where your profile photo is located. Clicking this will bring down a menu where you'll find the option for account settings. Select this to continue. Within your account settings, there's another option you need to choose, the developer settings. This may not seem immediately obvious, but it's crucial because it houses your API credentials. Once you're in the developer section, you'll see your API key prominently displayed. Next to this, there's a convenient little copy button. Click on it to copy your API key to your clipboard. Armed with your API key, return to your Manychat account where you left Convertkit open in the integration section. Look for and select the option to connect your Convertkit account. This is where you'll be prompted to paste the API key you just copied. Once you've pasted it, confirm the connection and you're all set. And there you have it, your Manychat and Convertkit accounts are now successfully linked, ready to work together harmoniously. This integration is a fantastic way to seamlessly automate workflows and ensure your marketing tools are all working in sync. I hope this walkthrough was helpful and you're now reaping the benefits of a more integrated platform system. Thanks for watching.